Hi, hello. My name's Raymond Benitez, and this is my intro video for the portfolio class of 2018 for the Digital Arts program at TSTC. This is my cat Smokes. Say hello. Yeah, and I'm hoping to be a concept artist for the film or video game industry, which is a pretty competitive business, which hopefully I can get into one of these days. And I hope this portfolio class will help start my career. And yeah, that seems to be my intro. I hope the portfolio class will be fun, and can't wait to begin and finish it. Thanks. Bye.